Are you trying to find the best axe for splitting wood? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best axe for splitting wood. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. This Sun Joe hydraulic log splitter is operated manually, but do not be deceived by its simple appearance. It is constructed of sturdy steel. It weighs 87 pounds, which is lighter than other similar models even though it is built of steel. Splitting logs up to 18 inches long and 8 inches wide is possible with the help of the small hydraulic system's 2-speed variations and 10-ton pressure capacity. For providing pressure and regulating the splitting of the wood, the pump's handles make it simple to manipulate. In addition to the rear wheel's increased mobility, there is a log cradle that keeps split wood from falling to the ground. The Sun Joe 10-ton hydraulic log splitter is one machine that you will be satisfied with. This unit has a large 10-ton capacity, making it ideal for splitting small to medium-sized logs. The heavy-duty construction of this log splitter helps keep the noise down while being able to operate quietly and efficiently. Number 2. The Southland Outdoor Power Equipment electric log splitter is the ideal option for you if you're searching for a quick log splitter that can split logs in a short amount of time. The splitter may be run off the power supply in your garage or shop using an extension cable, and the 1.75 HP 15-amp engine provides optimal performance. The heavy-duty 5-inch steel wedge splits logs up to 20.5 inches in length swiftly and easily, and an integrated log cradle maintains the logs firmly in place. The 2 comfort grip handles on the log splitter provide for safer use and better cutting control. The device is portable and suitable for usage both inside and outside thanks to its 7-inch tires. The splitter has a 2-year limited warranty and is OL certified. Number 3. This Boss Industrial ES7T20 is a well-designed electric log splitter that's built to excel in industrial and residential applications. This unit uses the same power as many gas-powered models, but has the added benefits of being portable and eco-friendly. The 7 tons of splitting force with 2 HP electric motor makes it easy to split even larger logs, while its patented hydraulic system keeps pieces secure during splitting. A free-spinning cutter head ensures maximum efficiency when splitting firewood. You can start splitting wood right away with easy one-handed operation. The Boss Industrial Electric Log Splitter is a fully portable, rechargeable cordless model that can split logs up to 2 inches in diameter. In addition to its powerful motor and ability to run while you work, this unit features a patented hydraulic system, one-handed operation, side rails, and an 11.5 inches working cord. Number 4. The Champion Power Equipment Gas Log Splitter is the only reliable, effective log splitter that can handle larger-sized logs. You can be sure that this splitter will perform in accordance with industry standards thanks to Champion Power Equipment's expertise in producing high-quality power equipment that is specifically created for North American families. An 80cc single-cylinder 4-stroke OHV engine drives the splitter. It contains an automatic low-oil shutoff sensor, a 0.4 quart oil capacity, and a 0.4-gallon gasoline tank. The equipment is quick and can quickly convert logs into firewood because to its integrated log cradle, skewed wedge, and 20-second no-load cycle time. Even though the splitter needs a fuel and oil mixture, it is in all 50 states. It is compact enough to fit into your car's trunk, lightweight, and equipped with a handy handle. Additionally, the 10-inch wheels are guaranteed to never go flat. Number 5. A powerful equipment with a 28-ton splitting force, the Tough YARDMAX horizontal vertical log splitter will assist you in quickly splitting through a substantial amount of wood. Due to the extremely strong 6.5 HP Briggs & Stratton engine, this splitter provides you with the best performance. When using dual log cradles, you can pick up the split logs without constantly bending over. When splitting, the log spinner footplate effortlessly turns those challenging logs, putting less strain on the beam. When loaded from either side of the machine, the YARDMAX is simple to assemble and has an intuitive design that makes splitting logs quick and safe. If you're looking for a gas log splitter that can give your firewood a boost, Yardmax's WISE 2865 to 28-ton half-beam gas log splitter is a great option. This unit includes everything you could possibly need, right down to its fast and efficient design which reduces the weathering process of logging. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.